Bonjour people, my name is Rishi Doble and I welcome you to La Zurée de Grenade. This series aims at strengthening the topics which are usually overlooked by aspirants in their preparation. So, let us begin with episode 1, ppm. So folks, let us understand the concept with a really simple question. What will be the hardness of a sample of water containing 10 to the power minus 3 molar magnesium sulfate expressed as calcium carbonate equivalents? One important point to note that the hardness of water is always calculated in terms of calcium carbonate equivalents, that is the ppm. We know from the question that there are 10 to the power minus 3 moles of magnesium 2 plus ions in 1 liter of the solution. Let's assume that there are 10 to the power minus 3 moles of Ca2 plus ions in 1 liter of solution. Instead of the magnesium 2 plus ions, we will just simply replace them. By extension, we can say that there are 10 to the power minus 3 moles of calcium carbonate as a compound in 1 liter of the solution. We know that the molar mass of calcium carbonate is 100 gram per mole. So the mass of calcium carbonate in the solution is 100, that is the molar mass, into 10 to the power minus 3, that is the number of moles. That is 100 milligrams. A fact that we know that the density of water is 1 gram per milliliter. So in 1 liter of solution, we can say is 1000 milliliter of water. This implies that 1 liter of solution is also equal to 1000 gram of the solution or water. Therefore, ppm can be calculated as mass of calcium carbonate, that is 100 into 10 to the power minus 3 grams upon 1000 grams of the solution. So grams is cancelled and therefore the equation becomes 100 into 10 to the power minus 6. This part, people, is the per million part. That is, 100 parts of calcium carbonate is present in 1 million parts of the solution. Therefore, the ppm is calculated in terms of calcium carbonate. We also can understand from the following exercise that the SI unit or easier way to calculate is milligram per liter. So people, let us solve an easy yet quite a common question. Calculate the hardness of water in terms of calcium carbonate, where the data is given as follows. It is given that calcium bicarbonate is 0.81 gram and magnesium bicarbonate is 0.73 gram in a volume of 100 milliliter. Quite important to remember. So, if in 100 milliliter 0.81 gram of calcium bicarbonate is present, we can say in 1 liter 8.1 gram of calcium bicarbonate is present and 7.3 gram of magnesium bicarbonate is present, assuming that the solution is homogeneous. So we can now calculate the number of moles of calcium bicarbonate. The number of moles of calcium bicarbonate is N1 is equal to 8.1 divided by the molar mass, that is 162. This is equal to 1 by 20 moles. By extension, we can say that 1 by 20 moles of Ca2 plus ion is present, as we did in the previous question. Similarly, to calculate the number of moles of magnesium bicarbonate, we can say that the number of moles of magnesium bicarbonate, that is N2, is equal to 7.3 upon the molar mass, that is 146. This is also equal to 1 by 20 moles in 1 liter of the solution. By extension, we can say that 1 by 20 moles of Mg2 plus ion are present. Again, we can replace all the Mg2 plus ions with the calcium 2 plus ions. That is 1 by 20 mole of Ca2 plus ions are also present. That is, we have replaced as we did in the previous question. I can now very well say total number of moles of calcium 2 plus ions is 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20. This becomes 1 by 10 moles of calcium 2 plus ions. Therefore, we know that the mass of calcium carbonate, we are following the exact same steps as we followed in the previous question. So the mass of calcium carbonate is 1 by 10, that is the number of moles, into 100, that is the molar mass. This becomes 10 gram in 1 liter of solution. Let us take this forward. So the mass of calcium carbonate in the solution can be written as 10 into 10 to the power 3 milligrams. And we know that the easier way to calculate ppm is by taking the ratio of milligram by liter. So the mass of calcium carbonate is 10 to the power 4 milligram in 1 liter of the solution. Therefore, ppm can be calculated as 10 to the power 4 milligram upon 1 liter. Thus, the hardness of the water is 10,000 ppm in calcium carbonate equivalents. So, people, with this we conclude today's episode, ppm. You now equip the knowledge to tackle the ppm questions in the examinations with ease. Stay safe and remember, be limitless because you are limitless. All the best to all of you.